3D printing. It's a very famous word, right? By this time, we all have heard about 3D printing. It's also known as additive manufacturing or AM. This is a very hot topic in research and industry in worldwide and India as well. People are still working and establishing new process methodologies, materials and features for additive manufacturing. So why additive manufacturing? Just because it's very different from conventional way? Well, in subtractive manufacturing or conventional ways, we start with a block of material. We just remove the material in order to get the shape and size according to our desired geometry, and the component is made. But in additive manufacturing, we just deposit the material in a layer by layer manner and the component is thus made. So we can see it's very different from the conventional ways. So why people are using additive manufacturing instead of the conventional ways? Because there are a lot of advantages we can get from AM processes. Also, there are 7 different kinds of AMs are possible according to the ASTM standard. They are capable of making any complex geometry with any intrinsic internal external features in any scale, like from nanometer, micrometer or in meter. However, among 7 different kinds of AM processes, metal additive manufacturing include 2 main processes. One is directed energy deposition DED and another one is laser powder bed fusion LPBF. So these 2 processes are very much similar and dissimilar at the same time. Both of their working principles are very much different, but they both use laser as an energy source and the material in a powder form. These processes are also being used in industries like automobile, aerospace and in biomedical as well, because of their high advantages for printing metallic components with very much good quality and surface finish. So as I said, these processes include laser as an energy source. Now the laser itself is having a lot of properties and unique characteristics. So all the properties of laser are also very important for the AM process. Every different property makes the AM process successful in different ways. What are the properties or characteristics? How the laser is made, by the way, because there are a lot of different types of lasers also possible, right? What types of lasers are used in these 2 processes? So hi, I'm Ananya Nath. I'm a PhD student in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi. My working area is also in additive manufacturing. So in this particular YouTube series, I'll be talking about mainly the laser-based metal additive manufacturing, DED and LPBF. There are a lot of key aspects and features related to these both AM processes. It's very important to know about the laser first before going to the deep in additive manufacturing. If you are one who is thinking of starting your study, research or project in additive manufacturing, then it's very important for you to know the very basic of additive manufacturing, how they work. The main key aspect of this process is the laser material interaction, means how the laser interacts with the material. According to that only, the material can get melted and deposited over the substrate so that a proper and desired geometry can be made. Also, I'll be including the construction properties, characteristics of the laser, how the AM result is dependent upon the different properties of laser. Also, the AM setup needs a lot of instrument and machine components. So I'll be talking about different machine components of AM as well, and we'll be including some key feature research areas which are going on nowadays on AM, some sensors, monitoring system which are generally being used in AM processes. So that's about it. This was just an introductory video. My first video on AM will be posted very soon. Till then, I'd love to have all of your feedback or any kind of suggestion or comment you want to give on this video, or you want me to cover any other topic related to additive manufacturing. So that's it. Thank you and happy printing.